What is company code currency in SAP with a practical example? The company code currency in SAP is the primary currency used for a specific company code within the SAP system. It's also known as the local currency or functional currency in which the company conducts its primary financial operations and maintains its accounting records. It is assigned at the company code level. All financial transactions within the company code are posted in this currency. Foreign currency transactions are converted into the company code currency using the prevailing exchange rate. Company code currency type 10 in SAP company code 4-digit alphanumeric key. Example of company code currency in SRP company scenario. Let's Global Cars Limited, a multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in New York, USA. It operates several subsidiaries around the world, including one in Germany, which is responsible for manufacturing and distributing cars in Europe. The German subsidiary is represented in SAP by the company code DE01. Since the subsidiary operates in Germany, its company code currency is set to euro to comply with local reporting requirements. The headquarters in the USA uses a different company code, US01, with USD, US dollar, as the company code currency transaction. Example: the German subsidiary DE01 sells cars to a local customer for 50,000 euros. The sale is recorded in SAP in the company code currency, which is euro. Later, suppose the company needs to report this transaction to the corporate headquarters in the USA, which consolidates reports in USD. In that case, the transaction will be converted to USD using the current exchange rate. For example, 1 euro equals 1.02 USD. How SAP handles the transaction. Transaction entry. In company code DE01, the sale is entered in euro as 50,000 euros. Currency conversion for reporting purposes. If the headquarters requests a consolidated report, SAP converts the amount to USD using the prevailing exchange rate. Amount in USD equals 50,000 euros times 1.02 equals $51,000. Local reporting. The German subsidiary generates its financial statements in euros. Consolidated reporting. The corporate headquarters in New York consolidates the financial results of all subsidiaries in US dollars. What is group currency in SAP with an example? In SAP, the group currency is a client-level currency. It allows a parent company to consolidate financial data from different subsidiaries operating in various countries with other local currencies, defined at the client level, meaning it applies to all company codes in the client. Each transaction is automatically recorded in both the company code currency and the group currency. It is commonly used in multinational corporations for consolidated financial reporting, group currency type 30 in SAP. Example of group currency in SAP. Company. Scenario: Let's United Foods Inc. is a multinational food company headquartered in New York, USA, with subsidiaries in different countries. The parent company uses USD as the group currency to consolidate financial data from all its subsidiaries. Subsidiaries: US01 USA, headquarters, company code. Currency: USD, group currency, USD. D01, Germany, subsidiaries. Company code. Currency: Euro group currency, USD. IN01, India, subsidiaries. Company code, currency, IN group, currency, USD. Transaction. Example: posting in Germany, D01. The German subsidiary, D01, sells goods to a local customer for 100,000 euros. On the transaction date, the exchange rate is 1 euro equals 1.10 US dollars. How SAP handles the transaction. In company code currency, euro. The transaction is recorded in euro 100,000. In group currency, USD. SAP automatically converts the transaction into the group currency, USD, using the exchange rate. Amount in group currency equals 100,000 euros times 1.10 equals $110,000. Why group currency is important? Uniform. Reporting ensures financial reports from different subsidiaries can be consolidated without inconsistencies due to currency differences. Comparability allows the parent company to compare the performance of its subsidiaries across different countries in a common currency. Compliance helps meet international financial reporting standards IFRS, US GAAP that require consolidated financial statements in a single currency. Relationship between company code currency and group currency in SAP. The company code currency is the primary currency in which the financial transactions of a specific company code are recorded. On the other hand, the group currency is a secondary currency used across the entire corporate group for consolidated financial reporting. Key relationship parallel recording. When a transaction is posted in the company code currency, SAP automatically records it using the prevailing exchange rate in the group currency. Currency conversion. Transactions in foreign currencies are converted first to the company code currency and then to the group currency. Reporting. Financial statements can be generated in company code and group currency, providing a comprehensive view of the organization's financial performance. Analysis. Group currency enables financial trends and performance analysis across different companies and regions. Difference between company code currency and group currency in SAP. Definition. Company code currency. The primary currency in which the financial transactions of a specific company code are recorded is known as the company code currency. Group currency, a common currency used across all company codes within a corporate group for consolidated reporting. Purpose. Company code. Currency, used for statutory and legal reporting in the local entity's currency. Group currency, used for internal, corporate level reporting and consolidation. Level. Company code. Currency, defined at the company code level. Group currency, defined at the client level, applies all company codes in the client. Recording. Company code currency transaction are recorded in the local company code currency group. Currency transactions are recorded in parallel with the company code currency converted using the exchange rates. Currency type in SAP company code currency. Type 10, company code currency. Group currency. Type 30, group currency. Exchange rate. Used, company code, currency, no conversion is needed as it is the transaction currency. Group currency, converted using the exchange rate between the company code currency and the group currency. Conclusion, company code currency and group currency are fundamental concepts in SAP Finance. Company code currency reflects each company's local economic environment, while group currency provides a standardized view for consolidated reporting and analysis across the entire organization. Thank you. If anything is unclear or you have any questions, please feel free to approach us.